The Day the River Spoke by Kamala Nair. MCQs. Where did Janvi live? In a city, in a desert, in a coastal village, in the mountains. Answer is in a coastal village. What was Janvi's dream? To see a ship, to become a doctor, to go to school, to live in the city. Answer is to go to school. Who spoke to Janvi when she was crying by the river? Her friend, her brother, the river, the kingfisher. Answer is the river. How many brothers did Janvi have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 3. Why couldn't Janvi go to school earlier? She didn't want to. She had no school nearby. She had to take care of her younger siblings. Her father was against it. The answer is she had to take care of her younger siblings. What does Itan mean? Friend, elder brother, teacher, son. Answer is elder brother. Which bird is mentioned at the beginning of the story? Sparrow, parrot, kingfisher, eagle. The answer is kingfisher. Why was Janvi scared to go to school? She didn't know how to write. She feared the teacher. She thought others would chase her away. She didn't have a school uniform. The answer is she thought others would chase her away. What advice did the river give Janvi? To run away, to forget her dream, to secretly go and sit in school, to ask her brother to help her. The answer is to secretly go and sit in school. What did Janvi do the next day? Stayed at home, went to the fields, went to school, cried again by the river. The answer is went to school. What lesson was being taught when Janvi reached school? A poem, a math lesson, a story about Ashoka, a grammar topic. The answer is a story about Ashoka. Who noticed Janvi in the classroom? The headmaster, a student, the teacher, her brother. The answer is the teacher. How did the teacher respond to Janvi? Scolded her, sent her away, praised her, decided to talk to her father. The answer is decided to talk to her father. What did Janvi's mother say when she heard about school? She disagreed. She scolded Janvi. She supported her and shared her own story. She ignored it. Answer is she supported her and shared her own story. What did Janvi promise to do when she grows up? Visit the city, become a teacher and teach girls, work on the farm, travel the world. The answer is become a teacher and teach girls. What did Janvi want to learn in school? To drive a bus, to cook, to write her name and do sums, to paint. Answer is to write her name and do psalms. What transformation did Janvi observe in nature that made her curious? Leaves changing color, fish becoming frogs, clouds turning red, flowers blooming. The answer is fish becoming frogs. What does the river represent in the story? Nature's beauty, a real person, a source of knowledge and courage, a danger to children. The answer is a source of knowledge and courage. What did the river say about the moon? It rises from the east. It follows the same path to the sea. It hides behind clouds. It lights the night. The answer is it follows the same path to the sea. How does the story end? Janvi is refused admission. She is taken away from the village. She is allowed to go to school and shares her joy with the river. She runs away from home. The answer is she is allowed to go to school and shares her joy with the river. What natural feature did Janvi often speak to? The mountain, the wind, the river, the moon. Answer is the river. What emotion best describes Janvi's feeling before she goes to school? Joy, anger, fear, laziness. Answer is fear. Which of the following best describes the river's voice? Loud and harsh, gentle and wise, silent and mysterious, cold and angry. The answer is gentle and wise. Why does Janvi hide behind a tree at school? She was late. She didn't wear her uniform. She was nervous. She didn't want her brother to see her. The answer is she was nervous. What season is described in the beginning of the story? Summer, monsoon, winter, spring. The answer is monsoon. What change in nature amazes Janvi as she sits by the river? Tadpoles turning into frogs, sun setting, rain falling, river drying. The answer is tadpoles turning into frogs. Who gives Janvi the courage to go to school? Her aunt, her father, the river, a teacher. The answer is the river. Why was Janvi unable to attend school earlier in life? There was no school. Her family moved often. She had to babysit her siblings. She didn't like books. The answer is she had to babysit her siblings. How is Janvi's character best described? Rude and lazy, bold and curious, careless and forgetful, rich and arrogant. The answer is bold and curious. What does the river symbolize in the story? Wealth, fear, freedom and wisdom, strictness. Answer is freedom and wisdom. What did the river say about the moon and the stars? They are its friends. They are too far. They rise only in winter. They are teachers. The answer is they are its friends. What is the main theme of the story? Poverty, education for girls, war and peace, nature and science. Answer is education for girls.